So this is the old chicken basket, the one we made. And we decided to make a new one because I think the hen didn't like it. She didn't feel comfortable, so we decided to make a new one. Hello people! My friend Sally, there she is, helps me make basket for our chicken, for our hen, so she can really lay her eggs properly. So Sally got this coconut leaf and she is now starting to create the basket. Okay, like this. Gusto mo ganyan matanaw kung saan bagay mo? Like this. It's like you're just making a mat. Like that. She got this also from our neighbor. This coconut leaf. She cut it into half. The other half is over there. And this is the half. You might hear noise here because kids over there. God. Ang sundang Sally, maigo ang kamot ni Cindy. Thank you. Thank you for helping me, my dear friend Sally. Lock. You have to fold like that. Okay. That's the way how you lock it. Okay. And this little girl also, you know, she also wants to make same like her mom. Huh? Don't ruin the leaves. Okay? So many kids here likes to interfere what Sally did. Make sure, Cindy, that you did the right thing, or else you will be scolded by the queen. So this is now the half. It's done. Now Sally is doing now the other half. Okay. This is the start. Like that. Fold and lock. Okay. Two kinds of Laking, no?
Ihap ra ni mo te.
It's done. So she cut the ends of this, of each.
Naote video yan ang kasi. Iyo kong tuturo ni idobli ani.
This is the second one. This is the first one, and this is the second one. She's going to double. Mm.
Katawar mo na sila na ako yung mga video. Iyo gani itso ni anong gani. Lasali.
Thank you so much, Sally. Thank you so much. At last, my hen has new house. Wow. So this is now the outcome, the new house of my hen. Okay, and this is her old basket with 6 eggs inside. Okay, so we're going to transfer the eggs into the new basket, a little bit smaller compared to the old one. So this is now the chicken house. The eggs are already inside. 6 eggs. Job done. Good job, Sally. Good job. Thank you. Bye.